ignoring the question. So we'll see how to do this. See, what they're asking is, if the numerator and denominator of a proper fraction are increased by the same positive quantity, which is greater than 0, the resulting fraction is. So first of all, there are three types of fractions. One is proper fraction. The second one is improper fraction. And third is mixed fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is smaller. For example, it is 1 by 3. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 5 by 2. And in mixed fraction, it is denoted as, for example, 1 by 4. So these are the three types of fraction. Now in this question, what they're saying is, if the numerator and denominator of a proper fraction, this is called a proper fraction, are increased by the same positive quantity. For example, if the numerator here is increased by a positive quantity A and the denominator is increased by a positive quantity, again the same quantities, where A is greater than 0. By the same positive quantity which is greater than 0, the resulting fraction is. So you have to compare this fraction and this fraction. So see, for example, what you can do is you can take an example here. For example, in this case, 1 by 3, and let you can add 1. A can be 1 here. So 1 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. In this case, this is the decimal value is 0.33. This is 2 by 4, and this value is 0.5. 2 ones are 2, 2 1 by 2, 0.5. So the value has increased to 0.5. You can check with any number. So the normal property is, if any, like this is a number line, and this is 0, and this is greater than 1, and this is less than 1, but between 0 and 1. So if any fraction, if it is greater than 1, for example 5 by 2, and if you add equal number in the numerator and denominator, the fraction would come towards 1. And in any fraction that is between 0 and 1, for example 2 by 3, and you add this equal numbers on the numerator and denominator, the fraction will again move towards 1. So in this case, the fractions will decrease in the value, and in this case, the fraction will increase in the value. So that we could see from this example here. So what happens is, if it is a proper fraction, if equal numbers are added to the numerator and denominator, the value of the fraction will be greater than the original fraction. So it is actually moving towards 1. So the correct answer is always greater than the original fraction. If it is a improper fraction, if you add, in this case, for example, this is 2.5. If you add 1 and equal numbers to the numerator and denominator, for example, let us take it as 5 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. Equal numbers we are adding in the numerator and denominator. This would be 7 by 4. This is 1.75. This is 7 by 2 is 3.5, and half of 3.5 is 1.75. See, from 2.5, the number has decreased. So if a fraction is an improper fraction, and if you're adding equal numbers to the numerator and denominator, the value comes towards 1. And if it is less than 1, the value will increase and then move towards the 1. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, please ask. Are there any doubts in this question? Okay, we'll move to the next question then. Please take 3 minutes to solve this. So what they're saying is, what is the largest number among the following? So we know that from the indices, if 1 by 2 is equal to 2 raised to minus 1. This is the law of indices. Or you can write, in this case, it's 1 by 2. So I have written 2 raised to minus 1. to the power of minus 6, and here this is minus 1 into minus 6, that is equal to 2 raised to 6. In this case, 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 raised to 2. This is equal to 2 raised to minus 2 raised to the power of minus 3, and we can multiply the index here. So 2 raised to plus 6, 3 into 2 is 6, minus into minus plus, this is also 2 raised to 6. In this case, 1 by 3 can be written as 3 raised to minus 1 to the power of minus 4. This is 3 raised to 4. So let's write it as 3 raised to 4. 1 by 6 raised to minus 2 is equal to, we can write it as 2 raised to minus 1 and 3 raised to minus 1 to the power of minus 2. So this would be 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 2. So this would be, if you want, you can just compare it here, or you can multiply and see. This is 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times. So this is 64. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 and 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 8s are 64. This is 64. This is 9 9s are 3 3s are 9, and 9 into 9 is, you can write it like this. This is 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. This is 81. And this is 6 6 are 36. So the highest number is option C. I hope you have, if you have any doubt, please ask. Or else we'll move to the next question. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Take 3 minutes. The option, please select the options that you've got. 15 people have already selected. The majority is for option B. We'll see how to go about this question. There is standard formula for this also, but I don't want to use that. So how to solve this question? They are saying that there is a recurring decimal 1.272727, and it is equal to, and how do you convert this into fractions? Whenever you see such kind of decimals, you have to just find out like which terms or which digits are repeating. Here 27, 27 and 27 is repeating. So what you can do is, you can say that let this number be P or N. So N is equal to 1.272727, and it continues like this. And then you know that exactly 2 digits are repeating. So if 2 digits are repeating, then multiply by 100. You want to move this decimal points by 2 digits here. To move the decimal point by 2 digits, you have to multiply by 100. Multiply this N by 100. That is equal to 127. It has moved to 2 digits. 127.272727. And now what you can do is, this is N. You can subtract this 100, N minus 100. Let this be equation 1. Let this be equation 2. Subtract equation 1 or subtract equation 2 from 1. So 100 N minus N is equal to 127.272727 minus 1.27. See, if you write it like this, 127.272727, and then this is 1.272727, this would be 0. This would all be 0. And 7 minus 1 is 6. This would be 126. So the whole value of this would be 126, 121. And this decimal would be, 7 minus 7 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. This is exactly 0. So this would be 126.0. So this would be 126. And 100 n minus n is equal to 99n. And n is equal to 126 by 99. So here you can divide by 9. 9 11s are, 9 1s are, and 4s are 36. So n is 14 by 11. So we know that we have taken it n as 1.27 here, and in decimal form, n is 14 by 11. This is how you do it. I mean, you see, the first thing you have to see is how many digits are repeating. Here, exactly 2 digits were repeating, so we multiplied it by 100. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts, you can please ask. Yeah, please ask.
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 99 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್, ಅದು ನಾವು
Take 3 minutes to solve this. Yeah, the time is up. Please select the answer choice that you have got. Majority have got option D, and 29% have got option C. So we'll see how to go about this question. So what they're saying is, in adult population of a city, 40% men and 30% women are married. What is the percentage of married adult population if no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man and there are no widows or widowers? So what they're saying is that 40% of the men population are married and 30% of the women are married, and no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man, and there is no widowers, or there are only couples here. I mean, what they're saying is there are married couples, and they're saying 40% men are married and 30% women are married. And once they are married, so what you can say is like 0. The number of men be M and number of women be W. So what they are saying is 0.4 men are married and 0.3 women are married. So this is what they are saying. And you know that, I mean, we normally know that in one pair, one couple, there are equal number of, if there are one couple, there are one man and one woman, and they both make a couple. This is one jodi or one couple. So in every couple, there are equal number of men and equal number of women. So if they are saying that 40% men are married and 30% women are married, so the number of men and women should be equal, because each married couple would be one man and one woman. So from the given data, this is equal to 0.4 m is equal to 0.3 w. And what they're saying is, what is the percentage of married adult population if no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man? What they're saying is, what is the percentage of? So to calculate the percentage, you have to, in the numerator, you have to calculate the total adult married population. Adult married population divided by total adult. The total adult. This is adult married, and this is only all the adults. So married is, we have, they are asking total adult married. So this includes women and men also. Women and men also. So this is the total number of men who are married, and this is the total number of women who are married. So this is 0.4 m plus 0.3 women. These are the married number of people, divided by total adult population is m plus w. And from this equation, we know that m is equal to 3 by 4 w. I've taken this 0.3 divided by 0.4 is 3 by 4. So I'll substitute the value of m in this equation. So that would be 0.4 into m is 3 by 4 w divided by 0.3 w. And again here it is 3 by 4. M is 3 by 4 w plus w. And if you remove w here as common, we have this 0.4 into 3 by 4 plus 0.3 from 3 by 4 plus 1. And this would be this would be 0.4 into 3 is 1.2 divided by 4 plus 0.3 divided by 3 by 4 plus 1 is 7 by 4. So how this comes? 3 by 4. You take 4 as LCM. You take 4 as LCM. This is 3 plus 4. This is 7 by 4. So this 1.2 by 4 can be written as 0.3 plus 0.3 divided by 7 by 4. This is nothing but 0.6 by 7 into 4. This is 6 4 is 24. This is 2.4 divided by 7. So 2.4 divided by 7 is nothing but, if you take this as 7 and 2.4 point, then you have multiplied. You can divide this, or what you can do is, I'll just show another way. We know that 1.7 is equal to 0.1428. So what you can do here is, you can multiply this 0.1428 into 2.4, and this would be 0.34 something, 1 something, and the correct option is option C. It is 34 2 by 7%. I hope you've understood this. If you have any doubt, please ask. Yeah, Deepthi, please ask.
सर प्लीज एक बार दोबारा से करा दीजिए, समझ में नहीं आया.
Yeah, can you hear me now? So let's say in this city there are 20 married couple. So if there are 20 married couple, there would be 20 male and 20 females or women. So there will be equal number of male and equal number of female. So, but what they are saying is this 20, in this case, for example, I'm taking it as 20. They are saying this 20 is 40% of the total men. So that is 0.4 m. And 30% women is 0.3 into W. W is the total women that are there in the city. And since the couples, since if there are couples, the number of males and number of females who are married would be the same. So I'm equating this here. The 0.4 m is equal to 0.3 W. This is women. So these two would be the same, because whenever you say there are 10 or 20 or 30 couples, there would be 30 male and 30 female. That's why I'm equating these two here. And they have asked what is the percentage of married adult population if no man marries more than one woman. So what is the total population, adult population who are married? So this would be the married total. So for example, if there are 20 couples, the total population, adult population that are married is 20 plus 20. 20 men and 20 women. So this is the total population, adult population who are married. So that's what I have taken here. This is women, men is 0.04 m and women is 0.3 W, and total population is m plus W. And from this equation, I have taken m is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.4 into W. 0.3 by 0.4, I have taken it as 3 by 4. So substituting, I have substituted the value of m in this equation. So here what I have done is, I have substituted m as 3 by 4 W, and this would be the same. And here in the denominator also, instead of m, I have taken 3 by 4 W. I have substituted these two values here, and then I have simplified it. I have taken W common from all this, and in numerator the W will be common. In the denominator also W will be common, and that will be This W and W, this can be taken common here, and this will be cancelled, and then this only this would be left out. 0.4 into 3 is 1.2. 1.2 divided by 4 plus 0.3, and 3 by 4 plus 1 is 7 by 4. And this 1.2 divided by 4 is 0.3, and this is 0.3, that is 0.6 into 4 divided by 7. This is nothing but 2.4 by 7. So 2.4 by 7, if you know the value of 1 by 7, that is 0.1428, and then I'm multiplying it by 2.4. And if you multiply this, you would get 34. 1, 2 or something like this would come. And there's only one value that is just greater than 34, that is option C. I hope, if you have any doubts in any particular step, please ask. I'll be happy to clear that. Dipti, is everything clear?
Yes, sir. सब कुछ clear है. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
If there are any doubts for anyone else, please ask. I'll be happy to clear those doubts. Okay, I think there is no more doubts. We'll move to the next question then. Please take around 3 minutes to solve. Yeah, please ask if you have any doubts. You had the doubts with the previous question? One. One, we have unmuted you. You can speak. You can ask your doubt.
Sir, in the previous question, the question asked is what is the percentage of married adult population?
Yeah.
Sir, here you have taken total adult married divided by total adult, no sir?
Total adult population, yeah.
Total adult, I didn't get that, sir.
See, what they've asked is, what is the percentage of married adult population? Okay. So married adult population is, for example, they are saying if 20 couples are married, like there are 20 couples in the city, so total married population would be 20 men plus 20 women, right? That's what I've written here. This is the male population who are married. This is the female population who are married. But incidentally, these both are same. That's why I've equated this here. Why these both are same? Because there are 20 couples, means 20 male will be there, 20 females will be there. Okay. It cannot be more, it cannot be different, because they are saying that only one man, there is 1-to-1 ratio, 1-to-1 connection. One man can marry only one woman and one woman can marry only one man, and there are no widows and no widowers. Okay. So the couples are like, if there are 20, or for example there are 40 couples, there would be 40 male and 40 females. And this is the total, the ratio, population of male that are married, and this is the population of female that are married. So this is the married adult population. And this is the total, men plus women, the total men and women. This is the total population. So that's what they're asking here.
Okay, thank you.
Is there any other doubts? Okay, we'll move to the next question then. Take 3 minutes to solve this. Yeah, the time is up. Majority have got option C. So we'll see how to go about this question. They're saying that sum of 2,500 is to be distributed among X, Y, and Z in the ratio 1/2 is to 3/4 is to 5/6. What is the difference between the maximum share and the minimum share? So to simplify, if they have given these proportions as a percentage, so instead of 3/4 is to 5/6, what you can do is you can take the LCM of these three numbers and multiply that LCM by the whole this ratio proportions. And if you multiply a common number across this proportion, it won't change anything. The ratio would be still the same. So we'll calculate LCM of this number here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 4 3s are 12. The LCM is 12. So we'll multiply this proportion by 12. This would be 6 is to 3/4 into 12. This is 9. And this is 5 by 6 into 12. This is 10. So we have to share this 2500 among XYZ in the ratio of 6:9:10. And this is the same as this ratio because we have multiplied with the same number across those proportions. So we can take this as 6x, 9x, and 10x. And what they're saying is, what is the difference? Let the salaries be, let this amount that is being distributed to x, y, and z be 6x, 9x, and 10x. And this would maintain the same ratio. And what they are asking is the difference between the maximum share and the minimum share. This is the maximum share and this is the minimum share. So 10x minus 6x, that is equal to 4x. This is what they're asking. So we need to find out what is 4x. So we have this total amount and it should be equal to 6x plus 9x plus 10x should be equal to 2500. And this is nothing but 25x to 2500. And x is equal to 100. And we are supposed to calculate the difference between the maximum share and the minimum share. Maximum share is 10x, minimum share is 6x, difference is 4x. It is 4 into 100 is equal to 400. The correct option is option C. So if we calculate the ratio, the share of x would be 600, y would be 900, and z would be 1000. If you add all these three, it would be 2500. I hope you have understood this. If you have any query or doubt, please ask. Yeah. Any more doubts in this question? If there are no more doubts, we'll move to the next question then. So please take 3 minutes to solve this. This question. So what they're asking is, a bottle contains 20 liters of liquid A. 4 liters of liquid A is taken out of it and replaced by the same quantity of liquid B. Again, 4 liters of the mixture is taken out and replaced by the same quantity of liquid B. What is the ratio of the quantity of liquid A to the liquid B in the final mixture? So there was this container here that had 20 liters and that was only A. Now what they did was they removed 4 liters. So when they removed 4 liters, there was 16 liters A and they have added 4 liters of B. And now from this again they are removing 4 liters. And then again adding 4 liters of B. So they are adding 4 liters of B to this. And then they are saying what is the final, in this final mixture, what is the ratio of quantity of liquid A to liquid B. This is what they are saying. So what to do here is, after the first removal, we know after this first time when we remove 4 liters and we are adding 4 liters of B, when we remove, we know that since this is pure liquid A, the whole 4 liters of A is gone, and then only 4 liters of pure B is added here. So in this solution, A and B are in the ratio 16:4. It is equal to 4:1. For every 4 quantity, for every 5 units, 4 units are of A and 1 unit is of B in that 20 liters. So total mixture is 20 liters here. So when we are removing 4 liters again from this mixture, so in that 4 liters, we want to calculate what is the amount of A that is going out. So the amount of A that is going out is nothing but the ratio of A. So A by B is 4:1. So the ratio of A in the whole mixture is A by A plus B. That is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 1. It is equal to 4 by 5. So in that 4 liters, 4/5 was A and B was 4 into 1/5 of 4 liters. This was the quantity of A that went out in this 4 liters. A was 4 into 4 by 5 liters and B was 4 into 1 by 5 liters. So totally this was 4 liters. And then again 4 liters were added. So now before adding this, we'll calculate what was the amount of A that was there. So A, this much quantity was being removed. So earlier there was 16 liters of A. And if you remove this, we get 4 by 4 into 4 by 5. This is the quantity of A that is there in the final solution. And then in B, earlier that was B was 4 liters, and now they have removed 1 by 5, and then they are adding another 4 liters here. So this will be plus 4. This is B. This is A, and this is B. I hope you understood this. So once you remove 4 liters from this and add 4 liters, there will be 4 liters of B and 16 liters of A. And in this total mixture, they are taking 4 liters out. When they are taking 4 liters out, 4 into 4 by 5 liters is A. So this is going out. And here, this B is going out here. 4 into 1 by 5. This is the quantity of B in this 4 liters solution that they are taking out. So this removal is this much, and then addition they are putting 4 liters, pure 4 liter liquid here of B. This is 4. So total amount in the final solution would be this by this. So 16 minus 4 into 4 is 16 by 5 divided by 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 4 by 5. This is the total ratio of A and B in the final solution in this container. And if you solve this, you can take 8 common here. This would be 2 minus 2 by 5. And if you remove 8 common here, this will be 1 by 4 by 5 into 2. So 8 gets cancelled. This is 10 minus 2 by 5 divided by, this is 10 minus 4 by 5. So what they're asking is ratio of quantity of liquid A to that of liquid B. So this is 8 by 6. I think I have made a mistake here. Okay, sorry. I just realized the mistake that I've done. I mean, if anyone wants to correct, please correct. I'm just searching what it is. This is 16 by 16 minus 4 by 4 into 5. That's what it has gone here. And 4 by 4 is 4 by 5 is the solution here, and the one which is going out B is 4 into 1 by 5, and then again 4 was added here. In the final solution, this is the ratio of quantity of liquid A is 16 minus 4 by 5. This is 16 by 5, and then this is 8 minus 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 8 minus 4 by 5. Let us correct itself. So this would be, if I take 16 common, it should be 1 minus 1 by 5. And if I take 4 common, this would be 2 minus 1 by 5. This is 16 into 5 minus 1, 4 by 5. This is 4 into 9 by 5. Yeah, so 4 and 4 gets cancelled, 5 gets cancelled, is equal to 16 by 9. So the correct option is option C. Sorry, I got a bit lost in the middle. If you have any doubts, please ask.
Once you can explain again, sir.
Yeah, I will just do that. See, what they're saying is there is a container. In this container, there was 20 liters of A already. From this, they have removed 4 liters. So when they have removed 4 liters, there will be only 16 liters of A. And after removing 4 liters of A, they are adding 4 liters of B. So in this whole container now, there is 16 liters of A and 4 liters of B. So the ratio of A is to B is 4:1. 16 liters of A and 4 liter of B. So the ratio of A is to B is 4 by 1. And the concentration of A to the total solution is 4 by 5. 4 by 1 liter was there. 4 plus 1 is 4 by 5. The concentration of A is 4 by 5 and the concentration of B is 1 by 5. And now if you remove this 4 liters from this combined solution, in this 4 liters, 4 into 4 by 5 would be A and 4 into 1 by 5 would be B. This is the amount of liquid of B that is being removed and this is the amount of A that is being removed. So, and then after removing this, again 4 liters of B is added into the same container. So what I'm doing is here, after this second thing, once you are adding, again when we are removing it, earlier 16 liters of A was there, this 16 is here. And what you are removing is 4 into 4 by 5 liters of A. So this is what you are removing. And in B, for B, 4 was already there the first time you added 4 liters. And now you are removing this 4 liters. In this 4 liter, 4 into 1 by 5 would be the amount of B that you would be removing. And then after that, you are adding one more 4 liters here. So this would be the final amount of B, and this is the final amount of A in this container finally. And I'm taking the ratio here. In this 16 minus 4 into 4 is 16 by 5. 16 minus 16 by 5. This is 1 concentration of A. And then 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 by 5. This is the concentration of B. And then after that, I'm just simplifying it. I'll just remove this. So from this, I'm directly coming here. I'm removing 16. So this would be 1 minus 1 by 5. And I'm removing 4 common here. That would make this 2 minus 1 by 5. And 1 minus 1 by 5 is 5 into 1 is 5 minus 1. This is 4 by 5. 5 into 2 is 10 minus 1 is 9 by 5. And this 4 and 4 I would cancel. And 5 and 5 I'll cancel. The remaining numbers that are left is 6 divided by 9. 16 by 9. Sorry, 16 by 9. The remaining number is 16 by 9. So the answer is C. If you still have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, if there are no more doubts, we'll move to the next question then. Please take 3 minutes to solve this. The exact time was when I asked you to solve this question. So I'll just finish this up as soon as possible. So what they're asking is, as a result of 25% hike in the price of rice per kg, a person is able to purchase 6 kgs less rice for 1,200. What was the original price of the rice per kg? So let the original price of the rice be P. And earlier he could purchase 1,200. He could purchase 1,200 by P kgs. So for example, each kg of rice is 40 rupees, or let's say it's 30 rupees. And in 1,200, he can buy 1,200 by 30. This is what I've done here. This is per kg amount, and in 1200 you can divide 1200 by 30. This is what I've done here. So if it is P kilo per kg, rupees per kg, this is rupees per kg. The total kgs that he could have bought earlier was 1200 by P. And now what they're saying is, because there was 25% increase in the price, he could purchase 6%, 6 kgs less. So the new amount of rice that he can buy is 1200 divided by 1.25 P. The price has increased by 25%. The final price will be 1.25. Now what they're saying is, this difference, now he can buy 6 kgs less. So this was higher amount, this was lesser amount, and the difference between these two is 6 kgs. So we can set up an equation here, 1200 divided by P minus 1200 divided by 1.25 P is equal to 6. Now if I remove 1200 by P as common, this would be 1 minus 1 by 1.25. This 1.25 I can write it as 5 by 4. Because 1 by 4 is 2.25. And so if you add 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4, this will be 5 by 4, which is 1.25. So what I can do here is 1200 by P into 1 minus 5 by 4. This will be 4 by 5. Because it is 5 by 4, and 4 will go to numerator. This is equal to 6. And this implies, this is 5 minus 4 by 5. This is 1 by 5 by P into 1 by 5 is equal to 6. And you can write it as 6 ones are 6 200s. And this P would be, this P would go this side. P would be 200 by 5. This is equal to 40. So the original price was 40. So if you see what they're saying is, once the original price was 40, he could buy 30 kgs. Now the price has been increased to 40 into 1.25, that is 5 by 4. The price has become now 50. So in 50 rupees, like if the rice is 50 rupees, now he can buy 5 fours. Now he can buy 24 kgs. Earlier he could buy 30 kgs. So this difference is 6 kgs. So the correct answer is option B. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts, you can ask.
Okay, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ simplify ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay.
So if there are any more doubts, please ask, or else we'll end the session here, and we'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Tomorrow is I think Saturdays. Okay, tomorrow would be there. Please attend tomorrow. Sunday would be an off. So we'll continue the session tomorrow. Thank you for coming. I hope there is no doubt in this, the problems that we have solved, and we'll continue with the solving, the same topics tomorrow also. Okay, thank you for coming. Good night.